See them all the way down there? Cool, they jumped right from that bridge right there. Oof, wow, that was cool. Third day on the road, heading up into Whitebird, Idaho. It's about 100 miles from here. Woke up in it's called the Chinatown RV, in a hotel RV park. It was a great stay, thank you, sir. Very reasonable. All hookups there. Very clean. Woke up to freezing weather, which was not bad. I mean, it's nice to you're in Vegas and it's 98, and then you're in Wells, Nevada, and it's 28. Whatever. What can you do? That's what life's about, right? So I just wanted to get online. Third day on the road. Keep commenting, liking, subscribing. I appreciate it. And then we'll keep you guys updated. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you'd like me to post about, information, whatever you think would be easier for your days on the road or your enjoyment. Let me know. I got a couple of comments recently about the information, like where these certain things were, so I started posting screenshots of the map and the location. So I always, when I'm watching YouTube, I always get frustrated when guys just, oh, it's, I'm here, there, and there's no, they don't give you an update on it. I mean, you can Google it, but it's nice to get a little map or some idea of where you're at. So I'll try and keep doing that, and I'll keep you guys abreast of here on day 3, heading into White Falls. I'm only about 8 hours from Hat Rock, so I might hit it today, depending. I have a really bad toothache up here, and it's not doing good at all, so I have to stop at got a appointment over at the dentist in White Falls, Idaho, for him to look at it, and hopefully he can take care of that business so I don't get delayed any further. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys a little bit and update you. Bye. Drivers wonder how fast this. I get 75. I'm doing 75 on a uphill a little bit, and this thing is just moving right along. I know that engine light's on, but that engine light is just because of the oil change. But this one is just cruising right along. My baby. It thinks I go 55, 60, which I do, but sometimes I'll just not pay attention, and all of a sudden I'm cruising at 75 miles an hour, and I don't even know it. This thing just cruising right along. It's a big 350, so no reason it shouldn't. It's a little heavy, and it's just weird. Sometimes I'll be cruising along and you don't even know I'm speeding or I'm going around, and the next time I'm chugging, barely making 50 miles an hour up an incline. I'm wondering if it's a transmission situation or whatever, but all I know is this is what it is. This is my casino. Cactus Peaks. That's right, that's Prairie Cactus Peaks. Gentlemen on the starboard ship. We're going into Idaho. Welcome to Idaho. Twin Falls County. Like a little canyon going here. That is beautiful. Don't drop this phone, Pete. Wow. How gorgeous is that? Oh. And I'm not a big heights guy, but whatever. It's too beautiful to pass up. Those little canoers down there. Wow, it's gorgeous. There's those two guys jumping off. Whoa, there he goes. Whoa, that is cool. See him all the way down there? Cool, they jumped right from that bridge right there. Oof. Wow, that was cool. Welcome to Oregon, 84 West. Welcome to Oregon. I'm gonna stop at the travel center and take a break. Stretching the old legs. Peace and quiet. Just hear the birds chirping. Beautiful tree. Oh yeah, gorgeous looking tree. Can't wait, that's gonna be bloom soon. And there's the Hornet, the Damon Hornet. Knock on wood, got 4 hours to go probably. Look at this beauty. Such a good, oh my God. I don't know if call girl or guy, it's the Damon Hornet, so Damon, you know. Matt Damon, Yankees, so who knows? I wonder if they're related. Damon, well, Damon built it. But here she is in her glory, and we're gonna get back in and take you for a ride. Hey, ladies and gents. I gotta pull over here and go to the Walmart pharmacy to fill my prescription for my pain pills and my, what do you call it? Whatever, for the dentist. That left molar, upper molar in the rear and the top, second from the back. It was a root canal, but it's gone bad. You know, these freaking root canals are bad, and I have to go to an endodontist, endodontist, or whatever the heck they call it, in about 2 days. You gotta find one up in Hat Rock to pull the tooth. I'm not getting another freaking root canal. Forget that crap. So I'm going to Walmart here, because the Walmart where I was over at the hills in Idaho can only fill 10 of the 30 pills for my, not the pain pills, but oh God, what do you call it? I forget what they call it. But they only can fill 10, so I gotta come here and pick up the other 20. How stupid, right? Whatever. So give me a minute. I'll pull into this Walmart down here and I'll update you guys. and cinemas. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go, boys and girls. This is for the night. Hopefully I'll sleep with this toothache, but to get me a drink or something, maybe calm it down. A lot of motorhomes here in the parking lot.